Hey yo bro, have you ever tried to impress anyone? Like your boss for promotion, your crush or a business dealer? Sometimes you may impress them and sometimes you may not. But today, your bro has brought some tricks to get instantly liked by everyone, even it may be a stranger. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel Brotips. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to become a part of the bro squad. Okay, without getting late, let's hop into it. Number 1. Smile. In this world, if there is something which comes at free of cost, is smile. A smile can change the mindset of a person who is about to suicide. A smile is the best medicine for a sick person. The world is just a reflection of you. If you smile at someone, they will smile back at you. Except your ex. Just kidding. Even they may smile back at you. Who knows? See, for example, when a person meets you in an inferior way, how do you feel? You would definitely feel insecure, right? And you wish not to meet him again. So, to make a better impression and make them feel secure, try to smile whenever you meet people, maybe at the college, office or at public places. If you do this, you will be able to surround yourself with smiling faces. Number 2. Talk in other person's interest. Whenever you meet a new person, always talk in their interest. It means ask questions about them like, where are you from? What are your hobbies? What is your favorite place? As soon as you ask these questions, they're gonna talk until you stop them. It's because in this existence, if there is anyone for which people concern most, is themselves. People are more concerned about themselves. It doesn't mean they don't care about others, but they prefer to concern about themselves first. People strive to talk about themselves, so give them a chance to speak about them and they will definitely gonna like you. To make a better impact, try to ask some questions regarding to their talk. Remember, you must do this with your whole heart or else they're gonna think you as a bogus person. Number 3. Listen more. Sometimes you may run out of words. Then what you will do next? Sit idle and make the person feel insecure? Nope. To continue longer talks, give them a chance to speak first. Try to listen carefully what they are saying. Ask some questions about them. As I already said, people are more concerned about them. Those who speak first will lose the game. It doesn't mean to remain quiet. You should use the second trick which I have said and listen to them. You may think that, bro, if they speak continuously, when should I speak? Bro, once they feel comfortable with you, then start talk immediately. Trust me, you will end up impressing them. Number 4. Remember their name. When a person meets you for the first time, what you will do? You would definitely introduce yourself by your name and he or her does the same, right? In this world, the person's name is the sweetest and lovable sound in any language to himself. Try to use their name while you are talking to them. Like, John, would you like to have a cup of coffee? John, what's your favorite dish? Trust me, if you do this, they're gonna definitely get impressed by you. As I said, a person's name is everything to him or herself. Number 5. Make them feel importance of their presence. In this world, every person strives to get importance from others, including you and me, isn't it? Give a little importance to them and make them feel special. Bro, how can I make them feel important? Bro, just follow above 4 methods and they will automatically feel important. In the meanwhile, try to praise them like nice outfit, nice shoes and so on. Don't be creepy in praise, be genuine. Remember, you should be lavish in your praise, or else they're gonna think you as a bogus person. If you follow these 5 tricks, whoever with the person, he definitely gonna like you. Okay guys, that's for today. Thanks for spending your valuable time by watching my videos. Before leaving, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to become a part of the bro squad. See you next time. Till then, take care, love you, peace.
We all know about patterns. This one's a crazy pattern. This pattern been cracked from dragons, give you the heat like a ring on Saturn.